So let's get stuck into our katas for the yellow belt, which is basic form 2 and basic form 3. Taking the exact same structure off of basic form 1 from the white belt class, it's going to go left, right, center, turn around, left, right, center, turn around, left, right. So we're making that H pattern on the floor, or I, no matter what way you look at it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to look over that left shoulder. Here, we're coming down into a low block, exactly the same start as basic form 1. Hand up to that shoulder and down. From there, we're going to step forward. Instead of doing a middle punch, we're going high this time. So it'd be a punch to the head. Look over that right shoulder, exactly the same thing. Low block, and then come through high punch. Okay, one more time there. Starting feet together, looking over that left shoulder, hand up to our shoulder, coming down with a low block. Step through, high punch. Look over the right shoulder, low block. And then high punch. Look to the center. We're coming down with a low block once more. This time coming forward, we're going to do high blocks. So we're coming through, high block 1, 2, 3. Looking over that left shoulder, we're going to come round. Repeat exactly what we just did. So low block, high punch. Over the right shoulder, low block, high punch. Over the left, come through, low block, followed by 3 high blocks. 1, 2, 3. Now over that left shoulder, low block, high punch, over the right, low block, high punch, and then come back to chumbi. And there you have our basic form 2. I'm just going to show you one slowly from reverse. Perfect.